Hi, I'm Louisa Sijabat, a liquidator and bankruptcy trustee. So today's question is, if there is a deed of company arrangement and the creditor doesn't lodge their documents and prove their debt, does that just mean they miss out? Or can they come back and ask for payment later? So once there's a deed of company arrangement, and the phrase is once all proofs of debt have been called for. So there'll be a deadline that your proof of debt form and all supporting documentation must be returned to the deed administrator. If the creditor misses that deadline, then they miss out on the distribution if they are part of the pool of creditors who were eligible to participate in that distribution. Typically, at that stage, once they miss out, they typically cannot come back for payment either to the deed administrator or to the company or to its directors, unless there is some other reason, as in they hold a personal guarantee that is still enforceable or something like that. But for actual payment from the deed fund, they cannot come back once they have missed out, unless there is provision in the deed for that to happen, such as if there is an equalising distribution before any second or subsequent distribution.